me, Amir, and I'll be making time to go to school. Well, I gotta go to school. I hope no one takes my new earmuffs. These earmuffs. I just bought them today. They are like so awesome. Hurry up. Okay, so I have to go. I'm gonna place them right here. Now, bye. Back from school. Well, where are my earmuffs? Where are they? These are not my earmuffs. No.